The skies are becoming busier than ever. Alongside airplanes and helicopters, there are now countless drones operating in both civilian and military environments. While many of these drones serve useful purposes, they can also create serious security risks. That is where Rafael's Drone Dome comes in, a sophisticated air defense system designed to detect, track, and neutralize hostile aerial threats before they become a danger. One of the most impressive features of Drone Dome is its full 360-degree coverage. Whether it is protecting a military base, a critical infrastructure site, a moving convoy, or even a naval vessel, the system can be deployed quickly and adapted to different missions. To keep watch over the airspace, it combines radar, advanced signal intelligence, and high-performance electro-optical sensors. This powerful combination allows operators to detect and track multiple airborne targets in real time, even in challenging weather conditions. The system brings all this information together through a single interactive display, giving operators a complete picture of what is happening in the sky around them. Once a suspicious drone is identified, Drone Dome can respond in several ways depending on the situation. One option is electronic warfare. The system can jam communication links and GPS signals, effectively disabling a hostile drone and preventing it from carrying out its mission. For more urgent threats, Drone Dome is equipped with a high-power laser, capable of accurately targeting key components and destroying drones while they are still in the air. There is also a less destructive option available. The system can deploy a tactical net combined with a parachute, allowing it to capture a drone and bring it safely to the ground. This approach is especially useful in areas where minimizing damage and protecting nearby people or property is important. Everything is controlled through a central command and control station designed for operation by a single user. Its open architecture also allows it to integrate with other sensors and defense systems, making it highly flexible. Already deployed in numerous locations around the world, Drone Dome is helping protect military installations, critical infrastructure, and civilian sites. As aerial threats continue to evolve, technologies like this are becoming an essential part of keeping our airspace safe.